So, if you have time at home, take advantage of this video. Learn how to decorate your walls, build pieces like a fantastic raised deck, a useful and practical minibar, an outdoor planter, or this incredible suspended bed. So sit back and get ready to watch. And remember, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications, like this video, and share it with your friends. Say goodbye to your boring walls. With a few wooden boards, you can create this fantastic 3D wall panel. It's easy and it won't take much time. The first step is to cut the wooden slats like this. Be sure to get enough pieces to cover the panel, and for a better finish, be sure to sand them. Of wood to the paper with glue. Protect all four corners with tape, then with a screwdriver, drill holes to fasten the panel to the wall. Now your wall looks much more modern and stylish. Can you imagine this raised deck in the patio of your house? If you want to make the most of your time at home, build this project following these instructions. Measurements on the ground, dig holes where the posts will be placed. Fill the holes with concrete and place a fabric sheet on the ground for protection. Assemble the wooden planks, the platform structure, and the railing. Without a doubt, your patio will look much more beautiful with this fantastic raised deck. It's fantastic to enjoy some cold drinks on the patio of your house. And it's much better with a mobile minibar. Do you want one like this? Well, this is how it's built. The entire structure of this minibar is made of wood. Joining the pieces together is very important. Make sure you measure all the pieces well and put the wheels on. The last step is to varnish the wood. Now you just have to put the cooler in the minibar and enjoy. Are you ready to get down to business? Do you like gardening? If so, this is your ideal project. We bring you this outdoor planner. It will be perfect in your garden or patio. Planks, cut the pieces, and fit them into this shape or the one you prefer. Don't forget to waterproof the base of the pot with a plastic sheet. Now, the icing on the cake, an LED strip that'll give the pot lots of light and personality. The result is this, a fantastic outdoor pot that won't cost you any effort. Do you dare to try? The project that we present to you is one of the most creative. If you like to work with your own hands, this is your opportunity to make this incredible bed. Pay attention to the joints of the wooden slats. It may seem complex, but you can do it with precision. At home and doing this project pays off. You won't regret it. Having a bed like this is a luxury. Also, because it's suspended, you can take advantage of the space underneath. If you like this video, subscribe, turn on notifications, click like, and don't miss out on these other fantastic videos. You'll love it!